Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? Today I'm going to create this makeup look. I hope you like it. Hi, welcome back. So first I'm going to just apply a gloss on my lips, and I'm using this plumping gloss by L'Oreal in the shade Amplify. This will plump my lips, and I tell you, it's my favorite product. हमारा हेयर कट अच्छा लगे तो हम हेयर ऐसे काट लिया है फ्रंट में बैंग्स, because like I just love it and I did it by myself. And अब first हम यहाँ serum लगाएगा. This is a good serum and it's really hydrating, and it's a renew serum, which I like it, and the base should be good, and I love applying serum. And then I will just dab it and let it dry, and then I'm going to apply this Rimmel's lasting finish setting spray just to prime. और अपन फिंगर टिप से लाइक डेप डेप करके अच्छे से सेट कर लो बिफोर अप्लाइंग द फाउंडेशन. इट हैज़ टू बी ड्राई. Okay, I used to use this next foundation which I'm going to apply a lot. Like literally this was one of my favorite foundations from Morphe, and like literally the shade I was using, I forgot which one I was using because I haven't used in a while. So I got this 3.100 and 3.60. So these both foundations are dark shades. So I had one, I think, I'm not sure which shade was it, but I got quite a lot of this foundation when I bought from Morphe, and I got couple of them left, so I tried to like use it. And like literally these two shades, just look at it, like it's just so dark. It's not like matching my skin, so like literally I decided to like get a lighter shade, and I went to find like a lighter shade of this foundation which I couldn't find, and I didn't wanted to like wipe this foundation off because I already did my base, and if I wipe the foundation off I have to redo my base. Okay, here you go. I got this lighter shade by Maybelline 30 Hour Foundation in the shade 48 Sun Beige, and this is an activewear foundation, and this foundation is light. I don't use it by itself. I always mix with other shade to get a perfect shade. I always mix 2 to 3 foundations together to get a perfect shade. Literally my skin is like warm tone, and I always use a 10 foundation. I have applied like a few coats here to match my skin, and I always like mix and match, setting it all up with the same Rimmel finishing setting spray. This spray is really good, and I'm letting it dry. Doing my brows now, and I'm just filling it up with this Model Rocks brow powder, which I love it so much. This one is in shade Ebony, and then I am using this She Glams striking brow gel, and this brow gel you can use it by itself. It's very pigmented. It's a tinted brow gel, and like you can easily get it from Shein. And then I'm using this Bye Bye Under Eye concealer, which I got a lot from Sephora. They are simple, so yeah, I'm using it, and it's really hydrating, and I love it. And I'm just like applying some setting spray, and then I'm using this sponge from Morphe, which I love it so much. And yalla. And also I'm just using this L'Oreal's press powder, which is just so good. This can be worn by itself, but I'm just using it on top of my foundation and concealer to set all my makeup up with this powder foundation. It's just so good. It gives that flawless coverage. And here I'm just using this Moonshine highlighter by Model Co, I think. Yeah, so yeah, I love it. It just gives that subtle glow to my face. Using this contouring palette from Wet n Wild, comes with a powder and a bronzer. And literally I haven't used the powder yet, but yeah, this bronzer is really light and it's kind of natural looking bronzer, which I love it so much, and can be worn for everyday wear. Literally I like it so much. It gives that soft coverage, and like my makeup looks so smooth, like without any filter. If you do your base properly, your makeup will look really good. And like I'm just shaping my nose and under the lips a bit, like only here and there. I love Makeup Revolution's blush palette. I love this shade so much. You can use 2 shades as a highlighter and 2 shades as a blush. It gives that glowy, blushy look. Time to Fix and Go Lasting Finish Setting Spray. Then I'm going to use this palette for my eyes, which I love it so much. So first I'm applying this brown shade. The shade number is M3 and I like it. It's just so soft and you can like see it. It looks really pretty. And then I'm using this shimmer shade, Godfather, and that's it. You are done, and you can just apply more or less. And then I applied the same like setting spray, and then applied the same Godfather again, just because I wanted more shine on this part of my eyes. And literally applying setting spray on the brush and then applying this shimmer shade really works well. And I'm applying this Tarte's pen eyeliner here. It comes in 3 shades: burgundy, black, and brown. So I'm using this black one and it's nice. I tried my best to like create a wing, but like I noticed that this liner wasn't working. I think it's old. It's time for me to just throw this liner away. And then I told my daughter Isha, if you know her, like literally like she got one from her room, and it was by Maybelline. So I switched the liner and I used the Maybelline one, and literally half of my makeup is in Isha's room. And literally I love this Maybelline's liner, like it's really good. And then I applied this eyebrow powder which I used in the beginning, the Ebony Model Rock. So I just lined like this to the lower lashes, and then using a liner pencil just applied on the waterline, and then use this mascara. This mascara is just so bad, like literally I don't like it. If you like it, you like it, but I just don't like it. This is by Maybelline and 36 hour, but I just tried it for the first time. So I'm using this Model Rocks lashes here, just the easiest way to apply the lashes for me. And literally I haven't done the lash extension for a long time, so I'm just thinking of doing it. And literally look at the difference, looks so good. And then I'm just creating a inner corner wing like this with the same Maybelline's liner, and applying some Bobbi Brown's gel liner here to just hide the white part on my lashes. अब हम लास्ट एक चीज़ बचा है, लिपस्टिक लगा दे. For the liner, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Crayon Matita Ochi liner.
Mom, what the hell is this?
Isha, you said this one, no? This looks so
No.
pink.
Brown.
Let's try this one.
Swatched it already.
So I'm using this Model Rocks Studio 54 liquid lipstick.
Can I say something?
Uh,
The darker one you put on me has glitter in it.
I don't like it, this one. It's kind of different, no? Than my dress.
Yeah.
Find a shade. Go girls, find a shade.
We're not your little servants.
Sevens, find a shade.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
Big fart. She's struggling to find a lipstick that matches with her dress.
Oh, okay, then she should be something here.
Beautiful. You saw nothing.
I'm struggling to find a lipstick which will go well with my dress, and I think this one is okay. I have got no idea, but I think I'll check in here. I think it should be in here. No, it's not here. I don't know where is it. So let me try. Look at the mess. So first one I have applied, you saw, was this Studio 54 by Model Rock. Yes,
Where did Bubba leave?
just 10 minutes ago. And now I think I'm going to apply this one by Colourpop, Monday. This shade on top, I think, or I will just apply this one on top. This one will be too bright, so I'm going to apply this Monday. Let's see. I don't have like that much of this shade. Oh my gosh, I have one by Fenty Beauty, and where is it? Gosh, I have no idea. I think this looks a bit okay. Okay, I'm kind of liking it. Okay, this looks a bit okay to me. Not that good, but it's okay. Let's apply the Studio 54 again. And I hope you guys are liking it. Do you like it? No, I don't like it, so I'm going to rub this off now. Literally, I just don't like it, so I like it. It's a bit tinted. What do you say? Like, I think I like it like this, so I'm going to just apply a gloss on top, I think. Yeah, I'm just going to apply this gloss by L'Oreal. This is just a plumping gloss and my favorite. Let me change the setting of this ring light. Okay, this looks quite okay. Lighting makes a huge difference when you're doing makeup. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the blue light. Okay, this was at first I used this one for the whole makeup. Okay, I like this one. I think, yeah, it looks really nice. Literally looks beautiful. Okay, I'll let this one on. So it's been ages. I just applied these lashes today, and this hair is growing so quickly. I have to readjust. I love my front haircut, so I did cut my hair by myself. I don't go to the salon. I do all by myself, and also I do cut my girl's hair too, my son's hair, and sometimes my husband's hair too. So yeah, I hope you all liked this look. This dress I got from Valley Girl few years ago, and literally this is one of my favorite colors. And this dress is really cute. I haven't tied, so if I'll tie it, it will look like this. So it's a bit loose here. I will tie the belt later, so full look will be up on my Instagram. Also, I do post on TikTok too, and here on YouTube Shorts too. So do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, bye.